Tammie Gibbs, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few tips on how you can use this fall and the cool weather to get your house either show ready or just show off ready. So let's talk about a couple of those home maintenance tips that you could get to. Let's talk about your gutters. Most people don't pay gutters very much attention, but they can actually cost you a lot of money if you don't maintain them. So make sure that you inspect them and that you clean them and that you make sure they're not stopped up and that you have repaired any damage. So tip number 2 is all about your roof, because your roof is topping it off and we want to make sure that roof stays in good condition because it costs so much money. So when it comes to the roof, you want to make sure that you start inside and look up at your ceilings to make sure that you don't have any water damage. If you do, make sure that you address that and find the problem on the outside. When you're inspecting the roof on the outside, make sure that you look for damaged, missing, or loose shingles. Of course, if you've got missing shingles, you already have a problem you need to fix. If you have damaged, then of course you have to fix that too. And then if you have a loose shingle, then you're in luck. You can probably just have that repaired, and then you don't have to worry about it coming off later. So you want to be sure and check all those things and make sure that your roof is in good shape. And I've got another tip coming up. So number 3, we want to make sure that you inspect your doors and your windows. Do any caulking or weather stripping that you need. Make sure that you don't have any broken glass that needs to be repaired. So these next 3 tips are going to be very simple but very important. Tip number 4 is to make sure you trim all your shrubbery away from your house and your windows, and make sure that the vines that might be growing up the side of your house are all pulled down, because those are just going to end up costing you money later. So number 4 is trim away your shrubbery from your house and your windows. And tip number 5 is to make sure that you contract someone to come in and give your a service to your heating and air condition, and make sure that it is working properly, and then make sure that your filters are changed. And tip number 6, and our last tip for this video, is to make sure that you take care of any pests, whether it be bugs, squirrels, mice, rats, bats, whatever they are. You want to make sure that you have someone come in and inspect and make sure they get rid of those pests. So thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and tune in for all my other videos as well.